for me, I was rewarding by taking a coin from a school administration. It was a memorable thing for me, and that showed the organizers of the workshop valued my participation. It was a great opportunity to meet and network with people from all over the Mediterranean who are passionate about maritime industry.
That was a lot, but maybe the most one that I was curious about was designing for different types of technology. The talks in the conference and the YIBMIT workshop made me impressed by the amount of technology influence in this field.
For me, attending MARLOG was actually a really cool experience. It was actually the first international logistics related conference that I attended. And if I'm talking about the highlight of the event for me, it's going to be basically about expanding my network, getting to meet all of these important people and inspiring people in the field. So basically it was like a wholesome experience for me, and I believe that it is actually something that would expand my horizons and would give me an opportunity to set my foot in the future.